Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Allison. If you're returning, welcome back. So yesterday was a crazy day. My lights had turned off. I think it was like 12:30 in the afternoon. And then I went to the utility company to see how much I need to pay. And I ended up paying it today, thank God, because it was cold last night, but it wasn't that cold. And then I had extra blankets and stuff like that for the kids, and I had got some snacks, so we was good for the night. So I tried to contact my supervisor to see if I can go to work today, but I didn't get a response yet. So hopefully I'm all right to go back to work today. I hope you guys enjoyed my last video. It was hard to record, but I had to get it out there today. So I was like, let me just record. I had all my little, what I used was the battery pack that you start the car with. That's what I used to have lighting, and then my camera obviously has a light in it, so it just worked out. And I just got a lot of things that I had on my list from the day before. So, and as you know, the kids are at school now. I'm about to pick up Amaya soon. They're gonna be excited because no game and no phones, no Wi-Fi. Just imagine if it was any other kid. But yeah, I don't have much doing today. I was supposed to clean the rooms yesterday, but I didn't do that. So I might clean the rooms today. I have to refill the hand soap containers that's in the bathrooms. I have to refill that. And then I have to refill the laundry detergent and the softener in the glass containers in the washroom. Thank you for the kind words, guys. I really appreciate it. And let me see if I have any comments that I need to reply to. Somebody asked me where did I get my dish rack from. I got it from Big Lots when I first moved in. It's like collapsible. I don't even know if I'm saying it right, but yeah. So I love it because I could just fold it down and get out the way instead of having this big tray. Well, it's already 2:30. The bus is coming a little early today. It comes at 3:30. 3:20, 3:30, but now they're saying they're coming at exactly 3 o'clock now. So I'm like, do I have time to cook something? I have to cook something. I didn't even make the drumsticks, so I'm thinking, is it still good since that it was in the fridge overnight and you know the electricity was off? I'm about to smell it and see if it's okay to cook because I don't really have anything else to get for the night. I'm gonna have to cook. And no, it's a but. I might just use a pressure cooker again. Just plop the chicken in there, season it, and this, that, and third. So I might just do that. Right now I'm just all over the place because the light just came on. I do have things that I need to do, but it's too late now to do it. I'm just happy that the lights are back on. For real, I'm just happy. I don't know why I always get myself in this situation all the time. My phone is turned off because I ain't paid my bill. So Friday, my phone should be on, depending on my overdraft and how much I get paid or whatever. It's the story of my life. I'm trying to do better, and I just don't know how to be honest. I just need to come up with a plan. That's why I got these planners. It's gonna help me a lot. Oh, that's another thing. This that I got for free, I didn't get paid for. A lot of my videos, I don't get paid for anything. My vacuum that I had got, the mop bucket I had got, those are not paid for. Those are free and they ship it to me. And I just show you guys about it. But I don't get paid for any items that I receive as of yet. So I'm working on that. I haven't even been checking my emails, to be honest with you. Like, I just been off the grid. I really haven't been on social media or nothing like that. So talking about that, let me check my email because I haven't been checking my email at all. Oh, my subscriber had emailed me. Well, any questions you have, you can ask me.
나연히 내게 보낸 reels 하나 둘씩 클릭해보는 너의 생각들 yeah. Look at me slowly. So we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other. Heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew. Then you feel it rushing and lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place now. My place is your place, let's face it. Baby, you know all the places. My place is your place. My place, your place is my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock. We in our own zone. Make yourself at home. Get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at